Ice maker on Samsung RF197ACRS problem. The ice maker cover is off. The sponge thing that holds the electric measure, I'm guessing here, where does it fit in?
Welcome. I have 23 years of experience in the appliance repair field, working directly with all major appliance brands. Are you referring to the ice maker or the ice bin?
The problem is in the ice bin section. The ice bin has a plastic tooth guide. I put that back on. The box above it has the 63036 BA cover. The image you showed doesn't get the one I have. It looks a bit like number 2.
You are talking about the thermistor. The white plastic part that looks like a probe with 2 wires connected to it.
Yes. Where does the thermistor holder fit into the ice maker cover?
If you look at the foam, you will see an imprint of where the thermal goes. It will mount to the front bottom area of the ice maker. Did the foam come out completely? The foam will install at the front, just behind the plastic cover of the ice maker. Like I said, look for the imprint of where the wiring leads from the wire harness. If you cannot figure it out, as this is difficult to do not being there in front of the fridge, post a picture if possible. Thanks Bob, MasterTech 41090.93948912004.
Did you get the photos I sent?
No photos. You would need to use the paper clip at the top of this reply box to download a file.
Trying again.
No picture still. Let me see if I can find you a picture of the thermistor itself. Does your ice maker have a clear face on it?
Nope. That isn't where the problem is. Yes, there is a clear face. If you send your email to me, I will send you the pictures. I can't figure out how to send them through JustAnswer. The first part of my email is Susan, then we have an ad, and then we have susancraig.com. Maybe this will go through.
CLICK here, form photo.
I think you were onto it in a 7:39 post. The penny dropped for me. I understand that I have to insert the thermistor, then put the holder flat side out. I can't get it to stay there. Does it click into place? You are amazing.
There should be a plastic strap holding the foam in place if I'm not mistaken. Did you remove the strap by chance? Unfortunately, me cannot transfer pictures by email. Thanks Bob.
Thanks for persisting with me. I know now where it goes, but can't get it to stay there. I'll buy ice for now. Is there any place I can give you more positive feedback?
You are welcome. The feedback you have left is fine. Thanks Bob.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.